So we're back on the road. We are headed straight to Moab, and it is beautiful out on this side. However, I think it's probably good that we decided to skip Monument Valley because I am looking out the window over here on the other side, and it is completely covered in snow. Inclement weather. It does some stuff, but that's okay. We need to get to Moab so that we can make sure to set up before it's crazy dark out. And also make sure that I will have service to be able to work tomorrow. So I'm really excited for our time at Moab. Thank you guys so much for joining so far on this adventure. Headed over to Arches, visiting Canyonlands, and potentially you might even see us on fins and things with the dirt bike. So stay tuned. Rolling. What do you think of this coral pink looking sand? Isn't it so pretty? Pretty, huh? She's so tired. Utah! Woo! In the very, very, very distant horizon over there, you can see Monument Valley. Wow. That's incredible. We officially have less than 40 miles until we get to Moab, and I am so excited. Last time we were here in Moab, it just woke up my soul. If you haven't been to Moab, you don't know what I'm talking about. You have to go. You have all these crazy rock formations all over the place, and they range from the pointiest, prickliest looking things all the way to the smoothest, roundest, bubbliest formations ever. Actually, like this one. Moab is definitely somewhere that calls my heart. It fuels my soul, and I'm so excited for some dispersed camping. So with that, it sounds like we have some plans to go ahead and get set up. It's about 5:30 now. Sunset will be in about 2 hours, I would say. So I'm really excited for us to get our dispersed spot all set up, ready to go. It's been way too long since we've done legitimate dispersed camping, and so I'm really excited for that. And actually, no, it's not the first time with this trailer, but it is going to be the first time where we're going to be dispersed. I'm going to be working my regular Monday through Friday, and I'm really excited to see how that goes. If it goes well, I mean, honestly, there's not a whole hell of a lot stopping us from doing this more. So Moab, here we come, and we are ready for you. Well, the tire blew. There's no service, and I don't think that Eric saw me pull over. There is a spare tire. I need to pull over more. Well, I am actively teaching myself how to change a tire, including how to use the factory jack that I've never used before, because this is not the same as the one that they have for my car. No Eric yet. He probably is gonna get to Moab in about 20 minutes and then realize that I am not behind him. So hopefully I can get this changed before he gets here. Okay, tire's off. I just gotta get this other one out. I think Eric's probably now in Moab. Okay, so tips that I've figured out so far. If you have a flat tire, it's probably best to loosen the lug nuts before you get it out in the air, because otherwise it just hovers. Also, sometimes spare tires are like screwed into the car. So that's done. And now, oh my god, this tire is so tiny. Now we have a donut. I don't know if this thing should even go in this goddamn car. It's tiny. I'm gonna guess this side goes out. At least it's light. How many tools do I need for this? Righty, tidy. Ugh. Okay. Let's see if that's enough. Aha! Fucking fun. Success. Right, tidy. Eric said that he didn't want to tell you guys about needing to refill his tires. Well, and now it's got a whole segment. Oh, my jeans are dirty. And now I actually understand why they're called donuts. There he is. Well, while I'm still on a little bit of a high here, I just changed my first tire. I didn't even cry. And I think Eric's proud of me. I think that he was really scared. I think that he was fairly certain that, given that I had no service and he couldn't get in touch with me, he thought I had gotten in an accident, and that is definitely a scary feeling. So I'm really glad that everybody's okay, including myself, and that I am a strong, independent woman. As I say that, the first time that I've ever changed a tire, but it felt good actually, and I am really proud of myself for just kind of springing into action instead of like freaking the f out, because I know myself and that's definitely something that like could happen. And so I don't know, I'm just proud of myself for springing into action and figuring out how to use the jack and how to take the tire off. And I mean, it's a pretty straightforward process, but I just haven't done it before. So very proud of myself. Go me. Team Izzy all the way. And thank you to Freya for being the absolute emotional support dog that I needed through this process. And let's go set up camp. Eric's behind me. But woo! Oh. Well, it might be a little bit later than we were planning, but we have in fact made it to the dispersed site. Huge shout out to the crew over at Grand Tire Pros for helping us to get some new tires super quick. And hey, while you're still here, check out what our website looks like. We have a new update for you. I've been working really hard. Please check it out at www.copilotsexplore.com. We will have some new hoodie, shirt, and sticker designs coming out soon. Join the connection so you don't miss it.